As the coronavirus continues to spread, the nation is facing a testing kit shortage. Communities across the country are scrambling to get those kits to be able to test as many people as possible, including right here in Mobile and Baldwin County. Our Lee Peck spoke to Congressman Bradley Byrne this afternoon. Lee, what's Byrne saying when it comes to getting those kits here?
Well, Shelby, he's saying it's imperative. Of course, the more people we test, the more accurate numbers we'll have and be able to better isolate those people that are infected. Again, we caught up with Congressman Byrne this afternoon as he was trying to send out a message to people to shop local and to support local businesses. This is him doing his part to order takeout from one of his favorite lunch spots, Meat Boss, over there in West Mobile. Again, Byrne says expect more cases to be confirmed as we test more. Now, the city of Mobile, of course, being proactive yesterday, setting up 2 drive-through test sites, one here at Ladd-Peebles Stadium, the other at the grounds yesterday, to be ready for when those test kits do come in, likely those coming from the private sector. Now, Byrne says the CDC dropped the ball early on getting those test kits out to health departments around the country.
Very frustrating, and I can say on a bipartisan basis, all of us in Congress have been on CDC pretty hard about that. Also, we haven't had the best information out there. I think there were times when CDC wasn't as forthcoming as they should have been. But I think the fact that we've been on them so hard, I think they've turned the corner. We're getting a lot more tests out there, and as these private companies come online, you're going to see a dramatic increase in the number of tests and an increase in the number of people who test positive. That's not a bad thing that we know about it. It's a good thing that we know about it so we can get them the care that they need.
Congressman Byrne also wanting to address something that was said yesterday, that test kits were being diverted from Mobile County by the federal government. He says that's simply not true. He says there is a shortage nationwide and that the CDC is working to address that. You just heard him say it'll also start to change when we see more of those tests coming from the private sector. Of course, we have not hit the peak in this. That's not expected to come until a little bit later. Of course, everyone wanting that downward trend from when we turn the corner, when we see the cases reported daily start to go down. That, of course, is the goal, and we have a lot more to tell you about coming up tonight at 9 and 10. For now, reporting live at Ladd, Lee Peck, Fox 10 News.